Activate AT&T Prepaid Phone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to activate AT&T Prepaid Phone from Walmart. So let's get started. First, start by unboxing your phone and inserting the AT&T SIM card including in the box. Many Walmart AT&T prepaid phones come with the SIM pre-installed and may activate automatically once powered on. Just follow any on-screen setup prompts. If your phone does not auto-activate, open a browser and visit the mentioned link. Select Activate your AT&T prepaid device and then enter your SIM card number, ICCID, your phone's IMEI, and your zip code. Then choose your prepaid plan from the available options. Select Activate your AT&T prepaid device, enter your SIM card number, your phone's IMEI. Once done, create your AT&T prepaid account by entering your name, email address and setting up a 4-digit PIN. Then complete your payment using a debit card or refill card purchased from Walmart. You will receive confirmation text once your phone is successfully activated and ready to use. If you experience any issues, you can visit your local Walmart with your receipt or contact AT&T Prepaid support directly. And that's all. That's how you will be able to activate AT&T Prepaid phone from Walmart.